In this video, I'm going to show you how I make the bread for the pizza at home. This bready texture of the dough is amazing. You can use it as a bread for pizza or you can try different things with this dough. A little kneading time required to prepare this dough and the rest time is 5 to 6 hours. Within 5 to 6 hours, this dough gets ready and you are ready to use this. I am using 5.5 cups of all-purpose flour, that is maida, 4 tablespoons of sugar and 1 tablespoon and a half teaspoon of salt. The yeast I am using for this is instant yeast, 1 pouch, that is around 1/4 ounce. I am mixing up the dry ingredients in a mixer. You may also use a hand beater to mix the dry ingredients. As you are done with mixing up the dry ingredients, start adding water slowly into the mixture. Start adding water slowly and continue to mix. As you see, I am adding water gradually and mixing it. Initially, it looks like liquidy, but later on, when you start kneading it, it will be fine. Mix it up with a spatula. Continue to mix this again for some time. Gradually, you will see the mixture is getting stretchy. If you are using hand to mix it up, you can do so as well. Before the mixture gets too stretchy, turn off the machine and transfer the mixture into a flat surface. As you can see, even if it is being mixed in a machine, you see there is a lot of dry flour that is still there. Now I am going to knead this dough for around 10 to 12 minutes. Use some olive oil because this will help you not sticking the dough too much into your hands. Kneading the dough is very important because this forms the texture of your bread. I have used around 4 to 5 tablespoons of olive oil throughout the process. You may use less or more as required. Also, you can use any other oil if you want. In between the kneading process, start adding dry flour into the dough and continue to knead. This will help the dough not to be too sticky, and you will feel comfortable collecting the dough and shaping it as a ball. As you see that it is not as sticky as it was before. Into a bowl, pour some olive oil or any other oil if you want to use, you can use that too. Then place the dough. Drizzle some olive oil on top of the dough as well. Cover the dough with a food wrapper. And allow it to rest minimum of 5 to 6 hours until it rises up. As you see that the dough has risen really well, uncover it, put pressure in the center and release the air. Collect the dough. Use some olive oil in your hands while you do this step. As you can see already, the dough is very stretchy and easy to fold. Again, transfer it in a flat surface and knead it lightly once again. Fold and press and knead it for few minutes. At this point, the dough feels very stretchy and nice, smooth and soft. Just shape it as a ball. Cover it with a bowl for 15 minutes. Uncover the dough after 15 minutes. Divide the dough into 4 equal portions. Use each single portions at a time. Shape them and flatten them as a pizza base. When you do this step, use some olive oil into your palms. As you see, I am trying to shape it up. I am trying to flatten up the bread as a pizza base. It is very stretchy at this point and it could be flattened up easily. You just need to use some oil into your palms so that it doesn't stick too much. As you see, the bread is now ready and I'm going to bake it in the oven after I put the toppings on it. Shape them up and place it on top of a parchment paper. I am using some pizza sauce, some mozzarella cheese, and some pepperonis. You may choose any toppings that you like. And this is now ready to be baked. I'm baking these breads at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for around 24 to 25 minutes. The other portion, I'm using the bread as a round shape pizza base. I'm simply flattening the bread nicely and I'm going to spread this on top of a parchment paper. The rest of the steps are the same. These are now baked and you see the bread looks perfect. Simply slice these up and enjoy. Our homemade pizza are ready. Wow, look at the texture. The bready and the perfect texture that I crave for. I hope you like this video. Look at the texture of the bread. The other one is also ready to go. Wow, look at the texture. It looks perfect. It is so bready and nice. I hope you enjoy this video. Please put a like and comment below if you like me to prepare these videos in future. Thank you so much for watching this out.